Do you wish to reset your Samsung device? In this video, we'll show you how. Let's get started. Before you proceed, ensure you've backed up your device. To back up your Samsung phone, head to the Settings app. Scroll down and navigate to Accounts and Backup. Within the Google Drive section, tap on Backup Data. Then tap on Backup Now. Now, if you're looking to soft reset or reboot your phone, simultaneously press the power button and volume down button. Then tap on Restart. On the flip side, if you're considering selling your device, a factory reset is the way to go. Keep in mind that a factory reset erases all your files and apps, essentially returning your device to a new state. To initiate a factory reset, swipe down on your Samsung's home screen to open the Quick Settings menu. Tap on the Settings icon at the top right corner, scroll down and select General Management. Further down, choose Reset. Then tap on Factory Data Reset. Review the list to understand what will be deleted, and then tap on Reset. Finally, tap on Delete All to allow the phone to power down and restart. Now that you've mastered the art of resetting your Samsung device, why not take it up a notch? Smash that subscribe button and dive into one of these specially curated videos just for you.